Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check system apps in your Android phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to apps option. Now from here you can check your all the apps. If you want to check your system apps, just tap on this icon. Then you have to enable show system apps option. Then tap on OK, and that's it. Now you can check your system apps. You can also use a second method to check your system apps. You have to just download these apps from the Google Play Store. Device and system info. In my phone it's already installed, so just open it. If you cannot find this option here, then you have to find apps option from here. Just tap here, and at the bottom you can see system option, then just tap here, and that's it. And that way you can check your system apps. And that is how you can check system apps in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.